Welcome to week 4 of this course. This is a comparatively lighter week in terms of readings. You should be largely focusing now on the research and writing of your 10-page research paper. This week we'll be discussing literary analysis as a specific genre of writing, as well as providing more resources on how to write a research paper. Since you'll be submitting an outline of the research paper this week, here's some advice on outlining. Make sure to include both an introduction and a conclusion in your outline, and give at least some detail about what will be in each. The old cliche is, tell them what you're going to tell them, then tell them what you told them. Obviously, you'll want to do a little more than that, but this gives a starting point. Think of how a good preacher will often introduce the points of his sermon, then go through them, and then wrap up with the points and a practical application. Writing a draft section that we had in week 3 provides helpful suggestions on what to include in a good introduction and conclusion. And one final tip about the outline. Remember that an outline just often has keywords for the items that it covers. It doesn't need to be written out in full sentences like a paper would be. In fact, writing out full sentences in your outline may be less helpful since it could limit your creativity as you start fleshing them out in more detail for the full paper. An outline is just a rough map for your draft. It's not actually the draft itself. You will have 4 assignments to do this week. The Skill Builder quiz will be on punctuation. You'll be doing a literary analysis on a piece called To Jackson Pollock. You'll also be submitting a full outline of your research paper so we can assess whether you're going in the right direction with it so far. Finally, you'll be submitting the first 2 pages of your research paper, which will be reviewed by your peers next week. That's it for now. Thanks.